What's going on, guys? I hope you're all well. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to brew V60 coffee at home. I'm using a Ugandan coffee from Lost Sheep, so do check them out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below or send me a message on Instagram. Brilliant, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope that was useful to you in one way or another. I did try and combine a bit of B-roll with more of a practical tutorial just to show how I make it. If you do have any comments or anything, do let me know in the comments below or drop me a message on Instagram, and it's at Coffee Shop Photographer. One more thing is a big shout out to Jake Smallwood, who inspired me to go and create something. It's something that I've been meaning to do, but I've just been putting it off for a little while. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon.